Annyeong everyone, this is Hatasu Tara, like Tarana, and this is an e-bike that costs around 50 to 60,000 pesos, and it can go up to 100 kilometers in full charge. And this is probably the first time I'm going to be reviewing an e-bike. I'm going to tell you what are nice about this vehicle. In our channel we say 시작. Oh my gosh! Woo! Let's go, Hatasu! Oh, it's quiet! Super! E-bike pala to! Woo! I'm in Kuyaken! Hatasu Tara comes with a 1500 watt dynamo motor that enables you to go average speed of 45 km per hour, and it makes the Hatasu Tara have faster speed and also longer range. Tara has Cinewave controller. The controller enables optimized flow of the electric current to the motor. It reduces noise and also reduces buildup of heat, which just basically protects the entire system, which the motor is the most important thing, making the Tara have smoother maneuver and acceleration, and it becomes more efficient in slow speeds, like when you are going uphill. The Tara comes with a 72 volt and 32 ampere battery, and that battery, it will power off the Hatasu Tara, making it more efficient with high voltage and ampere. It gives you more range. Let's check out the front wheel. Nice disc braking. It says Hatasu. It's a cordial tire with the size of 90/80-12. The benefit of having this tire, it gives stability, comfort, even when making sharp turns. Yes, you can do that with the Hatasu Tara, or navigating through rough roads and uneven surfaces. So it's not just manipis, it is actually quite makapal. Yeah, makapal like me. It is important for any types of vehicles, such as even a two-wheel vehicle like this, to have good ground clearance. And for a Hatasu Tara, it is also very important because you have the battery, which is here, and it needs to be protected by this undercarriage. And of course, it will be better the lesser it gets hit by any object. So Hatasu Tara comes with great ground clearance. When you have a quick vehicle such as the Hatasu Tara, you also need good braking, and this disc brake right here does that very well. Hatasu Tara can accommodate 2 people and also about 10 kilograms of luggage that can be stored there, which means you don't have to worry about bringing stuff for your long travels. Yes, you can do long travels with a Hatasu Tara. Tara has ABS plastic for body fairings and fenders, which means it is high quality material, durable, resistant to heat, chemicals, and scratches. And Hatasu has this cool slogan for this Tara, which is power up and travel more. From the looks of it, it's really handsome. It even looks like a Venom. Now let's look into the vehicle itself. Side mirror, instrument cluster in digital, yes. Turn signal is found here. This is just a handle. This is the accelerator or the power, the brake, turn signal here, high beam, the horn. Yeah. Then this is park light and headlight, and you can also turn it off. This one is very important. Like if you're a beginner rider like me, you can just go for level 1. But if you think you got a bit of hang of it, then go for 2 and 3 if you are really the master. USB charge port. Places for your, like, let's say tumblers or speaker. Fit test. Oh, pwede mag Starbucks. For grocery, inner fairing, the foot area, daytime running light, headlight, and the high beam. This is the demo of the lights. First is headlight. Oh, daytime running light. Headlight. Oh, and the high beam. Yon. Yon, now it really looks scary. And then the front look here really looks good with the lights on. And it also looks like a helmet for maybe a hero in a mobile game. Yeah, I play mobile game. There. And the other side. And overall, it looks so foggy. Wheel cover, the shocks, the disc brake, the rim. This is where you put the air, the caliper. I think that's about it. It feels like a real normal motorbike. Side stand, the full stand, sit for the driver and the passenger. It's not kid, driver, kid, mother. Okay, it's driver and the passenger. Take note of that. And I like this, it's soft. It's really, really soft. That's why you can have long drives with your Hatasu Tara. Grab handle here, and it also protects you just in case you have impact. Turn signal, brake, turn signal, reflector, more reflector. This is the motor. This is the motor that I mentioned earlier. Suspension, the battery, some protection, and that's about it. It looks simple, but it's not. And I tried using it. Yeah, the power is like instant. It's so torquey. So yeah, if you like torquey electric e-bike, or if you like torquey e-bikes, the Tara should be in your short list. Even I was able to drive it. Oh, this is very important. This is the charge port for the Tara, the charge port for the Tara. And just like other electric vehicles out there, you need to charge your e-bike. In this case, the Hatasu Tara. And I think it's, look how big this is. It's like a brick, but the bigger the better because it will be quicker. And then this is the port, and you can do it in your any home outlet, like that. It will take you about 8 to 10 hours to charge from 0 to 100%. So the possibility of you going 0% is low because most likely you'll be charging it from, like, let's say 40%, 50%, right? Huge. This is the key for the Hatasu Tara. It comes with security and it comes with 2 analog keys. And the Hatasu Tara comes with security option. It's gonna protect your Hatasu Tara. So what's going to happen is someone's going to want to steal it, right? And it's heavy, so they will roll it. So what happens is when you roll it, and then it kind of locks up. But if you go even more, wala na, you're caught. Now, it does have compartment here, but usually it's locked like this, so you cannot open it, so it's safe. You can put your documents and your stuff there. And with this key, right, with this key, just put it there in the keyhole, and then turn it, then it opens up. Are you gonna see something? Oh, good. Very big amount of space right here. So it's deep also. You can put your extra helmet as well for your loved one and lock it like that. Okay, ready? Like this. Left pala. Ayun. Whoa! Oh, it's a full-size helmet. Oh, kayang-kaya. Okay. And then, if you want to power up and travel more, you must get yourself a Hatasu Tara. So you can always say, Tara na.